Is your LG Smart TV acting up, lagging, or refusing to turn on? Before you call a repairer or think about buying a new one, you need to try a deep power cycle. This is not just turning it off and on again. It's a full system reset that drains residual energy to clear out glitches. First, unplug the LG TV directly from the wall socket or power strip. It doesn't matter if the screen is currently on or off, just pull the plug. Now, find the physical power button located on the TV itself. It's usually right under the LG logo or along the bottom edge. Press and hold the power button for a full 30 seconds. This is the secret sauce that drains the remaining electricity stock in the capacitors. Once you have held the button, you have to be patient. Wait at least 10 minutes before doing anything else. This ensures motherboard is completely cold booted. When it's time to plug it back in, here is the pro tip. Bypass the power strip. Power strips or your extension board can degrade over time and fail to provide the consistent voltage your smart TV needs to run. Plug your TV directly into a wall outlet to ensure it's getting a clean, strong signal. If your TV was freezing or having app issues, this should have it running like new. If you're still seeing a black screen, try a different wall outlet entirely to rule out a blown fuse. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next one. Thank you.